let's talk about some cat-cows. I'll start with a quick demonstration. What we're looking for on a segmented cat-cow is a dissociative movement. We're going to move each individual piece of our spine at a time to try and maximize that movement potential, give it the most information possible. So in a quadruped position, hands and knees, start by tucking your pelvis, crunching your rib cage, and tucking your chin. And we're going to keep our chin tucked and our rib cage crunched as we initiate spine extension from the pelvis. So my low back is slowly going to arch. I'm going to tip my pelvis forward and let that extension slowly work its way up my spine. Once I've maxed out my low back, my rib cage will flare down towards the floor. As the top of my rib cage flares up towards the wall in front of me, I'll pull my chin back and I'll lift my chin up. I can reverse this direction starting from the chin. I can tuck my chin, crunch my rib cage down. Now letting spine flexion walk its way down my spine. Once I max out my rib cage crunch, then I slowly tuck my pelvis. We'll do that one more time. This time we're going to move from the pelvis in both directions. So slowly tilt the pelvis forward, arching the low back. Let the base of my rib cage flare down towards the floor while the top of my rib cage flares up towards the wall in front of me. I lift my chin. And now as we reverse, we're going to go from the pelvis first. So I'm going to tuck my pelvis, keeping my chin up. I'm going to crunch my rib cage, keeping my chin up. And then I'll tuck my chin. That is 2 variations of a segmented cat-cow.